How's it going, eh? Still working on those fucking doors?
Yes, welcome to the episode.
Welcome to episode 37 of The Door. Just The Door. Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We've been working on the door for 5 weeks. It's been a long 35 years. But finally, the door will be finished today.
Okay, can you stop it? Welcome to episode number 5. A beautiful frame down here, yeah. Today, we're gonna build a round frame here.
There you go.
Zach.
Congratulations. Voila. Wow.
We're gonna chop off those fingers.
That's what I call a Brazilian, hey? Shaved off. No? Okay. She's a little too thick for the party, babe. Oh my god.
Hey, hello guys. Good greetings from Latvia, Riga.
You can't see.
We miss you guys. I hope you will
Oh, I saw
come
something.
to Latvia with your new camper soon. I hope you will make some tires who can swim over the ocean. And good luck to you.
Oh, good luck to you. That's his twin brother.
Russian chop.
Actually, my sister. but
Oh,
it's
twin
okay.
sister, sorry.
It's not really fitting in there because of this weld spot here. It's kind of round edge there, so we will need to cut a little piece out so it really fits in nice in there. Yep, and it fits like a glove. So the end result of today. So finish the framing, and tomorrow we're gonna do insulation. First things first, let's walk and clean those dusts off from the door. Why not? And I'm out of material. Oh, it's raining. Alrighty. So yesterday we wanted to do the rest of work, but it was a big storm, and in the evening I went in and I see there's some leakage from the door, and I put a tarp on. And let's take it off, see how wet everything is, and what we can do about it. This whole part is pretty wet. Okay, I hope the sun is gonna do her work and it's gonna get dry. It's a little bit wet, so while this all is drying and that stud is drying, we're gonna go and cut more boards. So the insulation is dry now, and we're gonna put back the poly, seal it up, and start doing the planks again. Something like that. Alrighty, let's get on to it. Alrighty. This is not straight at all. Let's try it again. It is much better, but it's still not perfect. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a insulation on a top door, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So the next thing what you want to do is put the planks on. Let's do that one. pretty good. And of course the doors are not finished yet. There's still a lot of things to do. Need a lot of sanding and painting and sealing the sides so it really is waterproof and nothing is leaking inside. And yeah, still a lot of work to do. Put on as well on the cable so it lowers nice and smooth, but it's not gonna happen in this episode. And I will see you on the next one.